First thing we're going to do before we start the clock is I'm going to show you the page just to give you a bit of context of where we would get the image from. So I've got this app here, and here's a screenshot of it. So I want to make mock-ups of this now for my sales page. So this is where you can start the timer. So first thing we do is we fire up MockZign. There's nothing to log into. You just fire it up on your computer. It works on both PC and Mac. And I'm even going a bit slower than I need to here. So we click on the plus icon, and now we get the image URL that we want to make the mock-up of. So we go back to our page, right click, click copy image location, back into MockZign, paste that here, click beam me, and there you go. 100 mockups made for all these different types of screen setup in MockZign. All done instantly. I've done it all from start the app to making it. Probably took me like 30 seconds, and they're all done for all these different scenes and different uses. So I mean, that's really how simple to use and powerful MockZign is. You don't have to log into any website, you don't have to upload anything. You can upload images if you want, but this is just a really quick way to do it. And you can see everything is built here for you, just downloadable. You click download. You can click down here to edit the image and stuff. I'll give you a slower demo of the whole process again in a second. I just wanted to demonstrate how quickly you can do that, and I don't think there's any other platform that gives you that option that quickly without having to log in anywhere. So obviously some of these mockups may not be appropriate for the type of image you're creating, but that's no problem. You just don't download that one. We do have apparel type images as well, so you're not going to have like a screenshot of software on someone's t-shirt, for example. So if we go back now, and we'll do a kind of a slower demo this time so you can see every feature of the app. So as I showed you, it's a desktop app. You just fire it up on your PC or Mac. It starts up, and you've got all your different mockups here on the side. There's over 110 mockups in the front end version. So all you do is click the plus icon, and you can either click to browse files, which will upload or load into the app any image or logo you have, or you use the URL here. Now the one I like to use is the URL one because I can do everything without having to manually upload. So by way of demonstration there, I'm going to go to a nice kind of stock photo site now and get an icon for you. So for this, we're just going to pick a kind of a shield icon, and we'll use it for the apparel section of MockZign to show you suitable images for that. So just click into the image, pick a big size, copy the image location, go back into MockZign, paste it in here, click the beam me, and there it adds it now to all these different mockups here, like hats, t-shirts, jackets, all that kind of stuff. Now if you do need to adjust the layout a little bit, you can use the options here to crop the image and to readjust the positioning. So different images in different shapes may suit different mockups, so you can adjust all of those down there. And that's how simple and easy it is. Everything is there for you in one go. So if you're in e-commerce, you have lots of options here. If you're in software, if you need to present any type of digital image inside a real life scenario, we don't think there's a better app to do it than using MockZign. So let me give you another example. Use a logo this time. So I've just grabbed a logo template here now. We're going to paste it in, and there we go. We've generated one now for this pizza logo. So if you had offline clients or whatever, lots of different options here. We'll go back and we make one more mock-up now for like promotional stuff for like software or something. So let's go back to the main screen type, and these are all like kind of PC screens. So we're going to want a wider image, and I'll just grab one now. And for this, I'm actually going to use one of our MockZign mockups itself, just to kind of see how that looks. It's like a mock-up within a mock-up within a mock-up, and so on. And we go back to the image types here, and here we can see it added now. So this is like us using our own software to make display images here, so you can see the app. This is the actual app itself, you can see in the mock-up. So it gives you a good idea of the flexibility and the power of this. And again, just that one little step has made this mock-up for all of these different images ready for you to download and use. You just click download, downloads it to your desk, and then you can just open up the created image, and there you see it. It's ready for you to upload or use wherever you want, all created within a few seconds within MockZign. So that's a very quick demo to show you that. It really is very powerful, but very, very fast to use. So this has been a short, to the point demo video. I could show you lots more examples of this in action, but you know, really I've covered all the features. It does exactly what it's meant to do. It gives you an unrivaled amount of templates, no need to log in anywhere No need to mess around doing loads of uploads. You can just take your image, stick it in there, and it's going to be done right away within a very, very short period of time. So that's it for the demo. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with any MockZign creations you make.